Hey guys, Tom here. Welcome to the Underground. I just wanted to hop on to tell you, well, first of all, wish you a happy National Bourbon Week. If you did not know, I think the 9th to the 14th or whatever the rest of the week is, 9th is actually National Bourbon Week. And it's also coming up Father's Day this weekend. So I wanted to come on, talk a little bit about that, and talk about something special we're going to do to celebrate that great event, or those two events, and I think you'll enjoy it. As you know, the way we do things around here is I'm a little disjointed. So first, National Bourbon Week. So let's it is National Bourbon Week, so why not have a little bourbon? Here's a little Buffalo. Just have a little sip. And let's talk for just a minute about what we're doing. Cheers. So how we are going to celebrate National Bourbon Week and Father's Day. As you know, the way things work around here, on Tuesday, I give you a shot short. We make a shot, drink it down, it's a good time, and then on Friday afternoon, you get a regular full-length video. However, since we have these two great events celebrating bourbon and our dads, I thought this week there's not going to be a video in the afternoon at 4 o'clock or 2 o'clock or whatever. I've been going with some different times. But what there is going to be at 8 o'clock this Friday, June the whatever this Friday is, we are going live. That's right. For the first time ever here at the Grantham Pub Underground, we are going to go live. This could be a really fun time, or it could be a total epic failure. We're just going to hang out. We're going to do what you do when you hang out with your friends at the bar. We're going to have some drinks. We're going to talk. There might be some guests stopping by. We'll have some good times. Maybe we'll taste a little bourbon, make some drinks. And you can see what's going on here at the Underground on just a normal, silly night when we're just having some fun. So make sure, if you're not subscribed to the Underground, this is the perfect time to do it. And be sure to turn on your notifications, because you're not going to want to miss this. I think it'll be a lot of fun. It's the first time we're trying it. Hopefully it works out. And I hope to see you right here, because as always, I'll save a seat at the bar for you. Cheers. See you Friday.